Hey y'all, happy Sunday. This is going to be a quick reset because my house was a mess. I searched non-copyrighted Christian gospel music and that came up. I'll try to see if I can insert the screenshot right here. But that came up and that message was amazing. Like, it really touched my spirit. So I was like, let them hear that. Like, So yeah, and the song and the vibe, it was just amazing. So I had to just like show y'all. Let's let y'all listen to that or whatever. But anyway, so the reason why my house got so dirty, y'all, is because Thanksgiving weekend, I was outside every day with my friends. I'm talking about every day. And I would come home at 6 o'clock in the morning, be out the house by noon, and do it all over again that same way. Like, it was just really, really crazy. But yeah, I'm never gonna do that again. We're gonna make sure that we start putting stuff back. I have a hard time with putting things back. Like, if I take some clothes off the hanger, I just leave it there. I never go back. But here is after the resets. Super clean, nice and refreshed. Yeah, my bedroom is so clean. Like, I'm just so happy to be back in a clean space. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's what they say. Don't judge that I don't have pictures on my wall. I was waiting on Black Friday sales. Bye.
Leave from you, I start feeling nauseous. Anytime I leave from you, my bones are aching. I'm so tired and weary. I had all this energy, then one phone call with you, and I need to close the curtains and get back in the bed. I don't think you're good for my body. And this doesn't even mean that we have to cut them off completely. And I'm all out of refills. So you got to come back next week, because right now my body can't handle being connected to you. Right now I'm up against a real devil, and I can't fight this same devil you keep inviting in. You're not good for my body right now. I got to create a boundary. I'm not saying I'm gone forever. I'm just saying you don't have a refill this week, because I don't have capacity in my body to carry your thing and my thing. And when I leave your thing, my thing is heavier than it needs to be, because now I'm carrying your thing and my thing, and God can't even give me wisdom from my thing, because all I can think about is your thing, and I need God to talk to me about my thing, because my thing is eating me up alive. It's showing up in my body. When's the last time you checked in with your body? Sometimes we're waiting for God to speak a word, not recognizing that God is speaking to the atoms in your body. That I'm trying to show you where you can go by how your body responds when you're in the atmosphere. If you don't feel safe, and you don't feel loved, and you don't feel seen, and you feel like you have to shrink, and then you go and you ask God, whether or not I should be in this relationship, God says the answer is already in your body. Sometimes your body knows it before you know it, and that's why your body starts aching before you can even get it. Our spirituality and our faith in Jesus is simply relegated to our spirit and our mind, and it has robbed us of the ability to recognize that it is also a part of our body. There is a correlation between what happens to us, the things that our responsibilities, the things that we have now had to process, and how it shows up in our body. high blood pressure. We went on tour with the Black Women's Health Imperative, and one of the things that Dr. Anita was sharing with those who were a part of the tour experience is that there are moments where our trauma, when unaddressed and unprocessed, shows up in our body. So you think that you just have high blood pressure because of your diet, and maybe to a certain extent it's true, but maybe it's also that you've been carrying that secret for so long that now it's showing up in your body.
So I'm finally done cleaning. I already ate. I ate leftover Thanksgiving food again. I know it's Sunday. I know everybody is telling me I need to stop eating leftovers, but whatever. I'm gonna eat it until it's gone. It's almost gone. So probably tomorrow morning and lunch. Tomorrow's my last day. Tomorrow it would be my last day. Okay, like whatever. Anyways, as y'all know, for the ones that been here, but if you're new here, my MacBook's broke. I don't even know what happened, but I was like, I think I was finished washing my hands and it was like still water, like they were still wet, and I was like trying to like, I don't know what I was doing, but I know I was touching something, and the water went in or whatever case is, and immediately it messed up whatever it messed up. And yeah, and either way it goes, I was getting a new MacBook regardless, because of the simple fact that it is the MacBook Air and I need a Pro. So I'm working on it. But I want to show you guys how I am. So the new year's about to start. Actually, truthfully, y'all, I'm getting ready for Vlogmas. So with that being said, I need to clear out all of my SD cards, and I have 4 of them, and I want to show you guys how I clear them out. It's a super easy way. I know y'all like, I can't believe she really edit on her phone, but CapCut really is that girl. CapCut has a feature where I don't really even have to go through and edit when I'm like pausing and stuff. Like they have this, let me show y'all. Let me go to CapCut. Hold on. So they have this feature called transcribe. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me see if y'all can see it. Oh no, transcript based editing, where it'll take like probably like 2 minutes, and it'll go through, it'll find all of the, every time you're silent, it'll edit that out. Every time it, like filler words, like if you were just saying or you know what I'm saying, oh, like it'll edit those out, or whatever the case is. And I really love this feature, because it used to take me so long to edit. Now I'll do that, and then I'll just go back in and do a last little, let me make sure everything is gone type vibe. Anyway, so if you want to know how to, shit, I'm tired. I'm so tired, yeah. So basically what I do is, so you go to files on your phone, and then once you plug it in, so you see right here it says location. It doesn't really, it says location, iCloud Drive on this iPhone, whatever, right? So I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, and then you see one popped up. So you're gonna hit untitled, and then you're gonna go to private, M4 root, clip, and I don't need none of this no more. This is all old content that I was gonna post that I never post. Let me make sure I got everything. A bunch of stuff while I was at work. Nothing important, nothing. Make sure you go through and check your stuff, but I don't have anything in here that's important that I just want to keep. No. Yeah, all of this can go. So then you'll hit these 3 dots over here, and then you'll select all, and then you'll do erase. That folder's empty, so it takes everything out of there. So now when I you know, put it in my camera, it'll say that I have, this one was, I don't even know how many gigabytes this one was, but I think it probably had to be, I usually only get them 128. I'll never get them less. This, I have one that's 64, but that was when I first started. Oh, my Sony, okay, this Sony is 64 gigabytes. And I think this one was like free. Oh yeah, this one was the very first one. It came with the camera. It was free. They gave it to us. Anyways, guys, I am about to take me a long, hot bath and light a candle. What is going on in my apartment? I'm sorry if y'all heard that. But yeah, I'm about to take me a long hot bath and prepare for tomorrow, Monday morning. Really ain't got much to do, but I'm applying for jobs, work from home jobs until I go back on the road. And then also, I need to call about my bankruptcy and see what's going on, because I haven't heard nothing in like 3 weeks. So, yeah, like, that's it. That's all. Love y'all, and I'm out.
It's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah.